Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI device to HUAWEI NOVA 11. Begin by opening App Gallery on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both HUAWEI devices. Begin by tapping on I accept, then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I accept, Confirm, Continue, Allow. After that, you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of this HUAWEI smartphone and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of HUAWEI NOVA 11. Also on Nova 11, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Wherever you decided, click on Close this window and go back to the other HUAWEI smartphone. Thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can pick multiple files and send them right away by clicking on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to connect thanks to this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on Nova 11. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers before they expire. Then hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!